A sequence is a list of numbers in a specific order. Each number in that list is called a term. For example, if we have 2, 4, 6, and 8, that is a sequence. The rule here is to add 2 to each term to get the next one. There are two main types of sequences: arithmetic and geometric. An arithmetic sequence is when you add the same number each time to get the next term. For instance, in the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, we keep adding 2. This number is known as the common difference. The formula for the Tn of an arithmetic sequence is Tn equals a plus into brackets n minus 1 times d, where Tn is the nth term, a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the term number. On the other hand, a geometric sequence involves multiplying. If we start with 3 and multiply by 2 for each subsequent term, we get 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on. Here, the number we multiply by is called the common ratio, which is 2 in this case. The formula for the Tn of a geometric sequence is Tn equals a times a raised to the power of into brackets n minus 1, where Tn is the nth term, a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the term number. Now, let's talk about series. A series is the sum of the terms in a sequence. So, if you take all the numbers in a sequence and add them together, that is your series. For example, if we have the sequence 2, 4, 6, and 8, adding them up gives us a series of 20. For an arithmetic series, you add up the terms in an arithmetic sequence. There is a shortcut to find the sum of an arithmetic series using this formula. S equals n divided by 2 times into brackets first term plus last term. Where S is the sum, n is the number of terms, the first term is the starting number, and the last term is the final number in the sequence. Or S equals n divided by 2 times into brackets 2a plus into brackets n minus 1 times d close brackets. Where S is the sum, a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. In a geometric series, we sum the terms from a geometric sequence. The formula for the sum of a finite geometric series is S equals a times into brackets 1 minus r raised to the power of n close brackets divided by into brackets 1 minus r. Where S is the sum, a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms. So, why should we care about sequences and series? They appear everywhere, from calculating interest in savings accounts to understanding population growth or analyzing motion in physics. Being able to find sums quickly makes handling these patterns much easier. Example questions. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence, 5, 8, 11, and so on. Solution. First term a equals 5. Common difference d equals 3. Number of terms n equals 10. Last term l equals a plus into brackets n minus 1 times d, which equals 5 plus into brackets 10 minus 1 times 3, which equals 32. Using the formula S equals n divided by 2 times into brackets first term plus last term, we have S equals 10 divided by 2 times into brackets 5 plus 32 close brackets, which equals 5 times 37, equaling 185. Given the geometric sequence where the first term is 2 and the common ratio is 3, find the fifth term. Solution. First term a equals 2. Common ratio r equals 3. Using the Tn formula, Tn equals a times r raised to the power of into brackets n minus 1, we have Tn equals 2 times 3 raised to the power of into brackets 5 minus 1 close brackets, which equals 2 times 81, equaling 162. If the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is given by s_n equals 3 times n squared plus 5 times n, find the first term and the common difference. Solution. To find the first term, evaluate s_1. s_1 equals 3 times into brackets 1 squared close brackets plus 5 times 1, which equals 8. The first term is 8. To find the common difference, evaluate s_2 minus s_1. s_2 equals 3 times into brackets 2 squared close brackets plus 5 times 2, which equals 22. So, common difference equals s_2 minus s_1 equals 22 minus 8 equaling 14. A sequence begins with 4 and follows the rule that each term is 3 less than the previous term. What is the 7th term? Solution. First term a equals 4. Common difference d equals -3. Using the Tn formula, Tn equals a plus into brackets n minus 1 times d, we have Tn equals 4 plus into brackets 7 minus 1 close brackets times -3, which equals 4 minus 18, equaling -14.